We just went out and we went to a new place, American Candle Supplies. Okay, so let me just drop them because, you know, fragrance oils are cheap, right? Never been there before, but I saw that they have their stuff locally, and I really wanted to give them a try because I'd rather support locally than buying things from, you know, P&J off of Amazon. Love those, they're really nice, but I would like to try to support locally if that's possible. I guess their stuff is made here in like Buffalo or Williamsville. We're gonna do a quick like look-see, I guess, like a sneak peek into what we've got going on. And if you are making your own soaps and lotions, then I mean, they ship too, so I'll do a little smell test, and if it's something that you would like to get, I'll put the link for all their stuff down below as well. I don't know what their shipping costs. I went and picked it up because I'm local. So I got some seasonal ones and I got some other stuff. If you like the whole soap making and homesteading stuff, make sure you click subscribe and hit the bell notification on this channel. And we're gonna just get started and dig into these. They were all wrapped up with tape, so I already took the tape off of them, but we're gonna smell them. So the first one is Witch's Brew, and this is like a deep smell. It's kind of cologne-y, and it smells like earthy, woodsy, but like a strong earthy, woodsy, cologne-y smell. It's a good smell. It's a more masculine smell. It smells good. I mean, I like Witch's Brew, I would assume would have like, you know, eye of newt, toe of salamander, frog skin. I can't smell any of that in there, but I mean, I've never smelled Witch's Brew before. This, even though it says Witch's Brew on it, I think it could be an all-season item because it does have that more masculine scent to it that a lot of people have been asking for. So if you are looking for an like a more masculine type of lotion or soap, then this could be it. This one is the one I was really looking forward to. This is Giorgio Armani Acqua di Gio, and it smells, I don't know what the cologne smells like. I've never smelled the actual cologne, but it's a light, airy cologne smell. I mean, it smells good. Has that like light, refreshing crisp. Is it crisp? I wouldn't call it crisp, but that like light, refreshing scent to it. That's what this has. It does smell cologne-y. It is like Giorgio Armani Acqua di Gio. That's literally what this is. So I mean, it should smell the same. This one is Birthday Cake. I personally like the ones that smell like sugar, so I have a problem apparently. I still like it. I like this. Definitely smells like sugar. God, it smells good. This smells good. The birthday cake is good. This will be all season. And I will tell you that in our fan box, so we have a fan box that goes out every month. August was the first month. Starting in September, every month that the fan box is sent out, it's going to have like different seasonal items in it as well. So you might get, for example, here's one. This is a pumpkin spice. So when it comes fall time, oh yeah, that's pumpkin spice, all right. When it comes fall time, you might just wind up with like some pumpkin spice soap or lotion. We do try to accommodate requests. So if you say like, hey, I really don't like this smell, can you avoid putting that in our box? We will do our best, and right now it's really easy because we're just new and we're starting this, so we will do our best to accommodate all of those requests. Right now we are able to do all of that and accommodate all of the requests. The fan box, and I'll put the link in the description box below, you get goat milk, so it's goat milk products, right? It's only Goat's Farm. So you get the goat milk bath bombs, which are honestly, quite frankly, I have to be completely honest with you. The bath bombs are the best thing. I love them. I know you don't use them as much as you would use the lotions or the soaps or anything like that. And they're not anybody else's favorite, but they're my favorite because these bath bombs are actually made from goat milk. It takes me, and I did a short on it a while ago, it is like a 2-day process to make bath bombs, and you don't make that many when you make them. You have to make them quick. You have to actually cook the milk down and then dry the milk out in the dehydrator and then grind it up into a powdered milk before you even add it into the bath bomb mixture. Combination of the goat milk in there, it's like, I feel like silk after I use one. They say that Cleopatra actually used to take like milk baths, and a lot of like queens in the past have taken milk baths. So it's like queen stuff, I guess. The fan box comes with, and you're going to get more than this, but you get at least a soap, or at least 2 soaps, at least 1 lotion, and then a couple of bath bombs. And everything is made from goat milk. So if you like the benefits from goat milk, then it's definitely a cool box to be able to get. And we take our time and care into making all the things, and it's going to be seasonal stuff. So like for Christmas, you'll get like Christmas things. For spring, you'll get spring things. So it's kind of exciting. You get that fun mail every month, but it's stuff that's like good for your body, good for your skin. You need to use it anyways. And you're supporting a small business and a farm family while you do it. This is bourbon pumpkin cake. This is my favorite one. It smells, you could smell the bourbon, you can smell the pumpkin, and you can smell the cake. Oh yeah, that's a good smell. That's a good smell. I've got some Love Spell. I'm not entirely sure how I feel about this one. So, but I mean, I guess a lot of you liked the watermelon smell, and to me that smelled like high school. This smells like high school. Like, this smells like, Victoria's Secret. Is Love Spell Victoria's Secret? And I gotta look. It is. It is. Okay, so that's Victoria's Secret Love Spell. That's what that smells like. So if you like Victoria's Secret Love Spell, then this is a fragrance oil for Victoria's Secret Love Spell. We'll see. I was kind of thinking of doing like a Barbie and Ken kind of like soap thing. So like doing like a package where you have like a Barbie soap and a Ken soap, and like the Barbie one would be Love Spell scented and the Ken one would be Aqua di Gio scented, because I feel that kind of like pairs well where they're both cologne scents. It's kind of like his and hers. So that might be something that I'm doing in the future. Warm patchouli. So this one has been requested. I only got an ounce because I don't know how much has been requested, but it's been requested. And people, let me know in the comments, are you like team patchouli or team no patchouli? Because this one has been, it's a highly debated scent. Yes, patchouli was commonly used to mask the smell of human decomposition during funerals for the dead in the 17th to 19th centuries. Most associate patchouli with the generation of young people in their culture in the 60s dubbed hippies. And it is a fantastic insect repellent. This is not, I can see like, it is patchouli, but it's like warm patchouli. It's like a sweeter patchouli, soft patchouli. How do you describe? So I could like smell it. If I could get you to smell it, like it's not that strong, overbearing. You walk into that one store in the mall that sells like the old drug rugs and the incense, and you get knocked out by the smell of patchouli. It doesn't smell like that. It's a nice smell. I think I did Witch's Brew, pumpkin spice, basil blueberry. You can smell the basil, you can smell the blueberry. It smells more like, I should have done the basil cupcake or the basil muffin. I'm learning now that I am I prefer the smells that they kind of smell like food. And I know basil is food too, but the ones that smell like sugar food. This smells more like, it's got like almost a pine woodsy scent to it. So think less basil in your cupboard and more basil in the garden. Basil and blueberry in the garden, not basil and blueberry in the kitchen. That's kind of what this is, that smell. This one, this pumpkin thyme, was actually one that they gave to me as a sample. There's another one too. Wasn't there another one? Yeah, oh yeah, okay. So this pumpkin thyme they gave to me as a sample, and I don't like it. I don't like it. But I mean, I'm not gonna like every single thing, and what I like might not be what you like. So for those of you that said you like the outdoorsy, woodsy smells, this is outdoorsy and woodsy. So out of all of these, we've got basil, blueberry, Christmas cookie, pumpkin spice, witch's brew. Thankfully they're in plastic bottles. Thank you for doing that. Warm patchouli, pumpkin thyme, love spell, birthday cake, bourbon pumpkin cake, and aqua di gio. Out of all of these that I showed you today, let me know in the comments what ones you think would be good, what ones you think sound disgusting. I'm really, really excited for the birthday cake, the bourbon pumpkin cake, and the aqua di gio. Those are the ones I'm excited for because, oh, and the Christmas cookie. I will put a link down to the fan box if you are interested in getting that fun mail every month. And then I will also put a link in the description box to where you can buy these and have them shipped to you. I will update you when I do some of these. I am super, super excited to dig into these and start making things to go out in our next boxes and to show you guys, because they smell so good. My room smells good right now from opening them up. The YouTube algorithm has decided you might like this video next, so I will see you guys all over there.